she a fraud. Damn, bought new titties, no car. How the fuck you gon' get to your job? I know this little eater, Barquita. I try to buy her Gucci, but she really love Adidas. She said her pussy pink, but she from Brownsville. I was rolling up the pill, so I still fucking kill. Oh damn, let me guess you need an Uber. Are you dumb? Are you really fucking stupid? The J train is right over there. 250 bitch, pay the fucking fare.
I'm conceited hoe, I just see those, yeah. I don't feel it hoes, I just leave them goes, yeah. The whole team can smoke, I don't need to know, yeah. Told her keep it low, but she wanna boast, yeah.
They be telling me to keep the bitch, but I'ma lead a bitch. Ray Charles, John Cena shit, I can see the bitch. Shorty said she ain't hungry, but she always eating shit. I be cool and tryna chill, but she always eating shit. Kick her off, I don't need a hoe, I'ma lead a hoe. I won't say, but I won't breed a hoe. I don't need a hoe, I just fuck her and mislead the hoe. I'ma treat the hoe. She been all up on my gram, but I don't see her though.
first of all, you bombed it out, telling us to go home. Machine guns drop on the cliffs of no war. Heads down, people look out, we're going over. Burning out, give us a library entry, pass the minds of some Atlantic century. Safe European home built wars, nothing like in the affair that will lose a court. Jimmers in the end, the arm and shoulder. Soul control just round the corner. I want to block in time in New York, keep banging in the walls of Fortress Europe. Keep banging in the walls of Fortress Europe. Keep banging in the walls of Fortress Europe. We've got home right to know the situation. We're the children of globalization, no borders, only true connections. Like the fuel for the insurrection. This generation has no nation, draws to vision of one delusion. We're sitting tight, I still have been the right one. Put an end to this confusion. This is the 21st century. This is the 21st century. Exodus. Burning up, give us a vibrant entry. Pass the rise of some Atlantic century. Bleaching car for remote of us. Fusion bleeding, looking back at us. Give us in the end, on my shoulder. Don't control just round the corner. I'm one of the block internally. I'll keep banging in the walls of Fortress Europe. Keep banging in the walls of Fortress Europe. Keep banging in the walls of Fortress Europe. Fuck when you ride it one time. 'Cause every time we come, we bring the danger. The danger.
They got to right, listen not to scaremonger. Who does not run when they feel the hunger? From where to what, to when, to here to there. People caught up in the red tape nightmare. Break out of the detention center. Cut the wires and tear up the vulture. People get ready, it's time to wake up. Tear down the walls of Fortress Europe.
This is the 21st century. Exodus.
Tear down the walls of Fortress Europe.
This is the 21st century. Exodus. We've got to right. Keep banging in the walls of Fortress Europe. Red tape nightmare. Keep banging in the walls of Fortress Europe. Of Fortress Europe. Keep banging in the walls of Fortress Europe. Of Fortress Europe. Keep banging in the walls of Fortress Europe. Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest. Everybody knows my name, shit. I'ma have this whole fucking game list, fitting with the same wit. And I'm gonna be famous, ain't nobody able to delay this. Coming up, I had a vision to make it. Never wanted to be nothing, always wanted to play shit. Sit in class, always wondering why I love this lame shit. How the hell am I different if we all know the same shit? I ain't never let them doubt me, it's about me. Keep my head down, let my mouth speak, this around me. They all about the clout, see, where the crowd be. Every time I speak loudly, they more about me. Man, you know I got a bounty on these lousy ass haters that surround me. So they doubt me, they don't know nothing about me. So their mouths free, I'ma change that soon. Better watch out now, see?
I just wanna be the greatest. Yeah. And I just wanna be famous. Yeah. Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest. Yeah. And I just wanna be famous. Yeah.
And I'm not playing any more games. Either put me on the charts or I'll put you up in flames. Better recognize art, cause I don't forget names. Should've seen me from the start, coming at you like a train. Think I'm about to fall apart every single fucking day. Seeing all these damn stars with my well-deserved fame. And I spit these gold bars while they spitting out shit. Man, I give this shit hard, but it gives me back pain. I wanna be a spectacle, they skeptical. But man, I got the chemical, exceptional. I do it all intentional, professional. So I can make that decimal incredible. I'm not thinking, man, they're saying that I've gone insane. I'm not ever gonna make it cause the game has changed. I'm not good enough, man, no that's not okay. Tell me that shit again and I'll stop your brain.
I just wanna be the greatest. Yeah. And I just wanna be famous. Yeah. Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest. Yeah. Man, I just wanna be famous. Yeah.
Now wake up, you got some shit to do. It's 6 AM, I don't care, you got some shit to prove. Cause right now, you ain't got nothing that big to lose. So get your ass to work and don't you dare hit snooze. Can't stop this, I'm obnoxious, and I'm honest and novice. With promise, made monstrous, I'm conscious, but I'm nauseous. Think I've lost it, I've got it. Spitting all this, still I'm not it. I've got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm all in, ballin', on a budget. Man, I'm stalling, crawling, cause I'm nothing, but I'm all in. Calling, I'll be something, yeah, I'ma get it now. You can leave if you don't like it. Say it out loud, you believe it, you can bite this. Keep my head down and I keep on going timeless. Make it somehow, I believe it when I write this.
I just wanna be the greatest. Yeah. And I just wanna be famous. Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest. Yeah. Man, I just wanna be famous. Yeah.
Every one of them is giving up and giving in, tell me, in this house of mine. Nothing ever comes without a consequence of cost, tell me, will the stars align? Will heaven step in, will it save us from our sin, will it? Cause this house of mine stands strong. That's the price you pay. Leave behind your heart and cast away. Just another product of today. Cause you're a natural, I'm feeling hot as stone. You gotta be so cold to make it in this world. Yeah, you're a natural, living your life control. You gotta be so cold. Yeah, you're a natural. Will somebody let me see the light within the dark trees shadowing what's happening? Looking through the glass, find the wrong within the past, knowing we are the youth. Caught until it bleeds out, a world without the peace, facing a bit of the truth, the truth.